Today I'm going to show you how to do Japanese line multiplication. There's a lot of videos online showing you how to do, or with people doing it, but not actually showing you how to do it. So I'm going to go step by step. Okay, it's really easy. We're going to start right here. 22 times 22 is 484. We're going to figure out how to do this with the Japanese line math. We're going to start right here with this 2. I'm going to put that dot there so I know where I'm at. So since we got a 2 there, I'm going to draw 2 horizontal lines. Now if this was a 3, I'd draw 3 horizontal lines. A 4, 4 horizontal lines, and so on. Now we're going to go over to the next one, which is a 2 again. So I'm going to skip down a little bit, add a little space here, and draw 2 more horizontal lines. Sorry my lines aren't the straightest, but anyway. Then we'll go over to the next number, which is conveniently a 2 again. So we're going to go over here to the left side and draw 2 vertical lines. Now we're going to go to the next number, which is 2. And we'll go over to the right side and draw 2 vertical lines. Okay, now the structure is laid out, so we need to figure out how to get 484 out of this mess here. So how we're going to do that is we're going to start at the bottom right. And where these lines overlap is where you want to be paying attention to. Is what you want to be paying attention to. So right here's one. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you wouldn't do it here. You don't want to do these. They're not overlapping. So we got 4 there, so we're going to go ahead and put a 4. Okay, now we're going to go to the top and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we don't stop there. We're going to shoot down here to the bottom left and go ahead and fill the dots in down here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add this corner and this corner together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's the 8. And then we're going to shoot up to the top left and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a 4 here. And what do we have? 4, 8, 4. 484. Pretty simple. In the next video, I'll show you, I'll give an example. If, let's say this is 80 times 80. Now, let's say there's extra lines here.